Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce Woodpecker new endomotor, Endomatic, to you. Endomatic is a full functional endomotor. For example, it's integrated with Apex Locator function and preset all market famous file systems inside. Firstly, let's look at its control angle. It's made of autoclavable resin, so for the preparation with Apex Locator function together, there's no need to put on the silicone case. This control angle is 300-degree rotable. So, it's quite convenient for different teeth preparation. Endomatic adopts full-view OLED screen, so it's easy to see the information in the display from all angles. Endomatic has a high-quality Japan electric motor, thereby ensuring its strong power, stable output, and long using life. In order to ensure the using time, Endomatic adopts 2000 mAh large capacity battery, so it can be continuously working 2 hours. For Endomatic, press this power button to start up device. Please look at the screen. There are 5 display parameters. M1 stands for program, 300 RPM stands for speed, 1.0 Newton stands for torque, CW stands for operation mode, and this icon shows the battery usage. We select different functions and parameters through these 3 buttons. Press S button to select different functions, and press plus and minus button to switch different modes and parameters. Let's look at the detailed functions for Endomatic. Press S button, we will see operation mode, including CW, CCW, REC, ATR, and EAL mode. CW stands for clockwise. CCW stands for counterclockwise. REC stands for reciprocating. ATR stands for auto-reciprocating. When reach its set torque, then reciprocating modes turns on automatically to avoid file fracture. EAL is Apex Locator mode, which is used for measuring root canal lengths. Press S button again, we will see speed mode. The speed is between 100 to 1000 RPM, so some high-speed file like EndoSharper can be used on this device. Next mode, torque limit mode. The torque limit is between 0.4 Newton to 5 Newton. Next mode, apical action mode, including stop, reverse, and off. Then next mode, auto start mode, including on and off mode. Next mode, flash bar position, to change apical position. Apical slowdown, including on and off modes. Endomatic includes preset 10 user-defined programs and 30 file systems. You can select different file system according to your demand. Long press the S button for 1 second. Then you can select these 30 file systems and file size by pressing S button and minus and plus button. What's more, there are some small functions. Switch off the device and press S button, then press the power button. There are some small functions you can see here, including left and right hand switch, and collaboration, beep volume, restore defaults. Okay. Endomatic has Apex Locator function. If you want to use only Apex Locator function, press S button. Under operation mode, select EAL mode. EAL is Apex Locator mode, then press power button. Then we will see apex locator interface. If we want to change the apical point, press the S button. Under the flash bar position interface, we can press plus and minus to change apical point according to our demand. Please look at this triangle icon. This is our suggested apical point. It's around 0.5 mm from physiological apical form. AP icon position is physiological apical form. Okay, now select this apical point. Press power button. Then let us try. This device is equipped with marine wire, file clip, lip hook for marine length. We should connect marine wire with main unit and connect marine wire with file clip and lip hook. Then put the main unit on the charger base. Here is a simulator for a demonstration. Hold the file by file clip. Then slowly move into the deep root canal. When file reach apical form, the device will give out a continuously alarm, like this. Preparation with mirror lengths together is also available for this device. The position of the file tip inside the canal is shown in the display automatically during preparation. This feature makes endodontic treatment safer and more efficient. And I'd like to tell you some small functions. Please press S button. Switch to apical action setting mode. It includes stop, reverse, and off 3 modes. Stop and reverse mean the motor stops or reverse rotation as soon as the file reaches the apical point to prevent perforation. Off means the motor continues work even the file reaches the end of the working length. After you select mode, please press power button. Another function is auto start mode. There are on and off 2 modes. On means the motor automatically starts when the file is inserted into the canal and stops it when it's removed. If you switch to off mode, then this function will be switched off. And under the flash bar position mode, you can change apical point according to your demand. I have already explained. The last small function is apical slowdown. There are on and off modes. If you switch to on mode, the motor speed gradually decreases when approaching apical point. If you switch to off mode, then this function will be switched off. Now let's select one mode. Apical action, select reverse mode. Auto start, switch on. Flash bar position, select physiological apical form. Slow down, switch on. Then try this device. Here is the simulator. You can see when I put the file in the root canal, it works automatically. When the file approaching the apical form, we can see the speed reduce. When it reaches apical form, it reverses automatically and give out alarm.